Hi there. Cleanliness is a major factor in preventing foodborne illness. Let's take a look at this kitchen and see if we can find any food safety issues. Upon first glance, it looks like a lovely kitchen. But what happens when we get a closer look? This sink doesn't have any hand soap available. It's important to wash your hands with warm soapy water for at least 20 seconds before and after handling food, after using the restroom, changing a diaper, handling pets, tending to a sick person, blowing your nose, coughing, or sneezing. It's also important to wash your hands after handling raw food such as eggs, meat, or fish. Let's make sure that there is soap available. Next, let's have a look at the counter. It appears they are going to have some sort of chicken and salad tonight. But it's very important to not only use different cutting boards, but also a different knife when handling raw food, like this chicken, and ready-to-eat food like the salad. Let's make sure they have a cutting board for each item, along with a fresh knife for each one. We also need to make sure that we wash any ready-to-eat items, like the lettuce, very well. Now, let's go see what is over by the stove. Looks like there are some safety concerns here too. It's very important to keep pets, household cleaners, and other chemicals away from food and surfaces used for food. To avoid foodborne illness, be sure to clean and sanitize all food preparation surfaces that might be contaminated. These surfaces include hard surfaces such as counters, sinks, tables, and refrigerator shelves or bins, utensils such as cutting boards, knives and dishes, and other surfaces such as placemats, reusable grocery bags, dishcloths, towels, and sponges. Foodborne illnesses can be very serious, and staying safe with food takes diligence to wash hands and keep surfaces around food clean. We will learn more about foodborne illnesses in the next video.